Hello class, this is me, your professor, Prof B. I just wanted to make sure you can get a face with a name. Normally I post videos, announcements that is, frequently, but with this move transition thing I just haven't been able to do that just with computer and internet issues. But today I actually had a moment of respite and quiet. I said, alright, I'm going to do it this week. So here I am. So, hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well. I'm no longer homeless. My children and I and wife have moved into a nice apartment 2 blocks from the beach here in Okinawa. And yeah, this course is moving right along. I wonder if, from your perspective, it's moving along faster than you think it is. Because this week, obviously, is our first quiz. Woo! And kudos to all the efforts you've put forth so far in the discussions and homework. I know this last discussion with the pivot tables and the bin ranges and the histograms gets a little tricky. I tried to pack in a lot there, actually, because I think with the video tutorial, you do kind of get it. You can figure it out, pause it, and learn how to do it. But once you learn it, it's actually pretty easy. And that pivot table and pivot chart function in Excel, it's there, and that's something you should definitely walk away with in this class. That's the key to some instant analyses in Excel, which we'll get to later as well. Anyhow, our first quiz this week. Here's the deal with that. It's chapters 1 through 5. It's our biggest quiz. Not necessarily the hardest, because the content isn't that hard. Things are going to get progressively harder and more complex now. I would say after next week. This week's still the correlation stuff, in my opinion, is still pretty easy. And when we get to regression at the end of the course, it all kind of comes together. And in an analytics standpoint, it's still very easy to actually do and interpret. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. But the quiz, yeah, here's my strategy for y'all. Just do it. Plow through. If you don't like your grade, or unsure about your questions, just shoot me an email and I will reset the quiz, because that's the best I can do. Is I can reset the whole quiz. I'm on personal lockdown from my stat lab. I don't have full control over the program, but I can do things on an individual basis. So that's my suggestion to you. And to do that, not like Sunday night, but try to get it, if you can get it done by Sunday morning-ish. Well, Sunday afternoon. It's still Monday here, so yeah, I guess don't worry about the time frame. Yeah, I know your weekends, that's where most of your work is done, so not a big deal. So that's it. This is me. Maybe at some point I'll see videos of you guys. I hope all is well, and let's have a great week. Sayonara.